Just thought I'd show you our latest addition to the fleet. Baby 500, the new super engine. Pretty much finished now. Just waiting for Scania to do the last PDI checks. All the lights put on her. Paint, stickers, all done. Chassis done. Just a few bits still to do. Calibration Friday. Get some tacks on her. Give it a good clean. And I'm good to go. Quick interior picture. Obviously she'll get a valet. Brand spanker. TV preparation all added. Full kitchen pack. Microwave. Fridge freezers down there. Gone a bit crazy on this one. Nice steering wheel. Night locks for the drivers. Nice.